The student who are appearing NEET UG 2026, for them the process had been started in Karnataka state and Kerala state apart from NEET UG registration. Another process has started. This is Indraprastha University, Delhi. They started the registration for different courses under Indraprastha University, the college which for MBBS admission. There also the registration process had started. First thing what I'll tell you, the last date for registration is 31st March. Regarding the University of Indraprastha University, there are many confusions for the students, especially regarding the eligibility and which all college comes under the Indraprastha University. In this video, I'll give you complete information regarding the college first, after that eligibility, after that I will tell you how to do the registrations. There are 6 colleges comes under Indraprastha University for MBBS admission. The first college which comes, that is very reputed college, BMMC Medical College and Safdarjung Hospital. Second college is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical College. Third is ESI Medical College. Fourth is Army Medical College, Delhi. Fifth is New Delhi Municipal Corporation, and sixth is B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Delhi. These 6 colleges comes under Indraprastha University, Delhi. But only 3 college counseling get conducted by Indraprastha University. 3 college. First is VMMC, does not conduct by IPU. It is conducted by All India Counselling. ESI also getting conducted by All India Counselling. And also Atal Bihari Vajpayee College medical admission conducted by All India Counselling. So only 3 college conduct by IPU. Which all colleges that is? First is New Delhi Municipal Corporation, second is Army Medical College, and third is B.R. Ambedkar Medical College. So the student who are doing the registrations in IPU, Indraprastha University, for them only 3 colleges will be available: Army Medical College, B.R. Ambedkar, and New Delhi Municipal Corporation. So this is very clear for the student. Next, which all students are eligible for IPU? The student who has done 11th and 12th standard from Delhi, they should do the registration in Indraprastha University precisely for New Delhi Municipal Corporation and B.R. Ambedkar. But if the student permit the eligibility criteria of Army Medical College, if the candidate is from different part of India also, they should participate in the Indraprastha University registration. Apart from these 3 colleges, which all other 3 colleges are there, if you want to take admission, you don't have to do the registration in Indraprastha University. Their counselling will be conducted by All India Counselling Authority, MCC. At the time of registration, you have to tell that you have done your 11th 12th from Delhi. Automatically, they will take your reservation for the Delhi quota in those colleges. So first thing which is very clear, this under Indraprastha University only 3 colleges will be there. Within that 3 colleges, if you have done 11 12 from Delhi, you will be eligible for 2 colleges. Army Medical College will be eligible for all over India student. And the student who will be looking for BMMC or Atal Bihari Vajpayee or ESI, they should not do the registration in IPU. They can do the registrations directly in All India Counselling. This is about the detail of IPU. Yes, and also I told you the last date 31st March. Now I will tell you how to do the registrations in Indraprastha University. Go through the video till end to know the registration process and other details. Student, this is the website for Indraprastha University, Delhi. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. You can see this is the website. You can Google it, Indraprastha University. You will be able to reach in this website. Once you reach in this website, then if you want to see the brochures, you can see the brochures. Okay, for Indraprastha University. I'll tell you how you can go to the brochures of that. See here. UG admission brochures, you can see. You can open this brochure. Here this is the entire brochure for all the courses, but here the student is looking for MBBS admission information. So you have to go to NEET based admission. You can see in page number 97. Okay, in page number 97 you have to go to the NEET based admissions. Here this is page number 97. You can see this is NEET based admissions. Okay, here everything is mentioned, which all colleges are there, MBBS, BDS all mentioned. Okay, here you can see the eligibility criteria is mentioned for SCMS Army category students. Okay, what is the requirement is there, everything is mentioned here. Physical fitness, all these things is mentioned there. Now the colleges which comes, that is BMMC, Safdarjung Hospital. This is the reputed, one of the most reputed college. Second is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Science, RML Hospital. Third is ESI Hospital, what I told you. Next is, fourth is North Delhi Municipal Corporation's Medical College, Hindura Hospital. Army Medical College, I already told you. And another is Baba Saheb Ambedkar Medical College. This is the 6 colleges which come. But under IPU, if you are applying in IPU, only which all colleges are there? I told you Baba Saheb Ambedkar Medical College, this is there. Second is Army Medical College, Army College of Medical Science is there. And third is North Delhi Municipal Corporations is there. Now here you can see clearly, they have clearly mentioned that the only candidate who have studied 10 plus 2, that is 11th and 12th standard from Delhi, in Delhi, okay, they are only eligible. It is, please understand, it is Delhi, it is not NCR, it is Delhi only. Okay, so they are only these colleges are only eligible. But you can see here other 3 colleges. See, this is ESI colleges. Here clearly mentioned that for both All India quota and state quota, MBBS course, for both All India quota and state quota, you have to register MCC website. What I told you, after NEET result, it will be open, MCC website, it will be open. Here, see, you can see here it is also clearly mentioned for 100% AIQ seat and the state quota seat for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is clearly mentioned, have to register through MCC website. So this is also through MCC website, ESI also, and VMMC also. See, here you have to mention that you have to register MCC website for both All India quota and state quota. Hope you understand that what is the different type of details about this admissions under IPU. Now this is the link for the registration. The student who are interested for IPU or who are eligible for IPU, you click here. Okay, once you click here, then you will be redirected to this places. Okay, here you can see new candidate registration. You have to click. Once you click here, then this page will open. After that, you have to go through the details. You agree this. Once you agree, okay, then this page will open. You have to go through all these details. Then again you will have to agree and you have to follow the further process, and you have to fill up the form. Then you have to upload the document. You have to make the payment. Everything you have to do. So step by step you will have to follow. But regarding that, you have to be very careful. If you are interested, you have to be very careful. To get seat in IPU, your NEET rank has to be very high if you are a general category candidate. So that also you should avoid. Unnecessary, if a student is open category and if you are expecting a rank of 50,000, then I don't think it is worth of doing the registrations in IPU. Student, this is all about the details of Indraprastha University. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you are appearing for NEET UG 2026, you can subscribe this channel to get all important informations. If you are looking for paid counseling guidance for NEET UG 2026 admissions, then you can contact us in the number 9900486666. Thank you so much.